What to do in the first 72 hours of a total blackout. Day 1. Silence. Day 2. Hunger. Day 3. Chaos. Welcome to the first 72 hours of a total blackout, and your crash course in not dying. The grid is dead. No lights, no heat, no signal. The fridge hum fades, the streetlights blink out, and suddenly civilization feels like a bad rumor. You've got 3 days before desperation turns the suburbs into a live-action zombie movie, minus the zombies, plus your hungry neighbors. Water is king. The second the power dies, the pumps stop pushing. Fill every container you can. Bottles, buckets, bathtubs, even that decorative vase you always hated. By tomorrow, pressure's gone, and you're sipping puddles. Food comes next. Prioritize the fridge. Eat the meat, cheese, and ice cream while it's still cold. By day 2, it's a biohazard buffet. After that, move on to canned goods. Cold beans taste better than food poisoning. Light. Grab flashlights, candles, even glow sticks if you still have leftovers from raves. Forget Wi-Fi. Your new entertainment is staring at shadows and wondering if they're moving. 24 to 48 hours. Now the silence feels heavier. The fridge is a swamp, the milk smells like war crimes, and your frozen pizza dreams are officially dead. Canned beans are king now. Cold, mushy, and somehow better than food poisoning. Cooking? That's fire only. If you're indoors, you're playing carbon monoxide roulette. If you're outdoors, you're basically lighting a signal flare that screams, "Dinner's over here!" Electronics? Forget it. Whatever you didn't charge yesterday is now a shiny brick. Your phone is just a flashlight until it dies, then it's a mirror to watch yourself rot. And here's the real fun. People notice the quiet. Noise travels farther now. A generator humming or a pan clanging in the dark might as well be a dinner bell for the desperate. Keep low, keep quiet, and maybe, just maybe, no one realizes you still have snacks. 48 to 72 hours. By now the panic's spreading faster than bad news. Grocery stores? Empty shelves. Gas stations? War zones with nothing left to fight over. Hospitals? Overcrowded waiting rooms where the lights don't turn back on. Medicine runs out first. That headache pill you ignored yesterday? Now it's currency. Cough syrup, bandages, even vitamins, traded like gold to people who suddenly realize they're fragile meat sacks. Security becomes your new religion. It doesn't matter if you're guarding a stockpile or just one dusty can of beans. Hunger makes people bold, and bold makes them dangerous. Keep the lights low, the noise lower, and for the love of survival, don't brag about your hidden snacks. This is where neighbors stop waving and start weighing whether you're easier to trade with or rob. The first 72 hours of a blackout are about water, food, light, and silence. Not comfort, just survival. Society runs on electricity. Without it, it runs on panic. If you make it past 3 days, congrats! You survived the easy part. Now comes the collapse.